Hey guys, what is up? This is Rensdax TV. Thank you so much for watching this video. And today I'll be showing you how to install Streamlabs and basically how to use it, from installing it, setting it up, and do a test live streaming, so I can show you exactly how this works. So let's start right away. And by the way, these here is from a previous live streaming, and I was getting questions on how I did that, so this video is for you guys. So let me just adjust my phone here really quick so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. Just like that. And okay, so I have my phone here just in case you're wondering why it's thick. This is actually an LG V20. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video, guys, so I'm just showing you what this is. This is an external battery from Zero Lemon. I use this to get, you know, more juice from the battery itself, so it'll last longer. And this is the reason why I'm using this phone for live streaming, so it'll take, you know, longer sessions and all that. And anyway, let me go right away straight to the Play Store here, and let's search for Streamlabs. So I guess it's already here from my search history, so let's just choose that and install it right away. So what we're going to use now is the free version, so it'll have badges on the screen just like the one I showed you a while ago, like this here. This one is because it's a free version, and if you want to you know, remove that, you can actually choose to get the paid one, but right now this is just what I'm using anyway. So installation is done, I think. Yes, so open that up and let's start setting up the application here. Okay, there you go. Alright, so at this point, let me show you how exactly it will look like, you know, if it's the first time you install it. Let me just log out from it. Okay, so this is exactly the screen that it will show you right after you install it for the first time. So in this case, just choose login with YouTube, or, you know, depending on what you want to use it for. All right, there's an option for Twitch or Facebook, but this one here is for YouTube, which what I'm doing for my YouTube channel. And I'm asked to log in here, so let me just go ahead and log in really quick. Give me just a second here. Signing in. It's asking for my password. Pretty quick here. And it's telling me that my password is wrong. I'm sorry for making this take longer time to get finished. And it's also doing a two-step verification. 940-413. I'm doing this as quick as I can so I can show you, you know, right away what you can do to start the live streaming. And right now it's still logging in. Okay, so once you're logged in, you will see this next screen. So basically it's gonna ask you if you want to use your camera or just capture whatever's going on your screen, basically. So in this case, what I'm doing is to broadcast my screen. So just to remind you guys that, you know, if you do that, anything you'll do on your phone, like anything that's being shown on your screen, will be actually captured and broadcast to your live streaming as well. So make sure you're aware of that, okay? So pretty much you don't want to have your, you know, private information to get broadcast to the world, right? So in this case, since I'm just using this phone for live streaming itself anyway, so I'm not worried for that. And let me just choose screen and say next. Then here I'll just click all of them, but oops, my camera is almost, anyway. Alright, here, sorry about that. Now I just choose everything that's on here, but you can actually just choose which ones you like to have. Well, for me it doesn't really matter for now, so I just have them all selected, and make sure you enable this. So allow it like that. And here what I do here is I'll just put in the don't show again, since you know I'm using this anyways the next time, and I'm using the same setup. So that's gonna be up to you, okay? If you want this one to show up every time you open up your app, then either you check that or not. It's up to you to decide. So let me click on start now. So starting now only means that the application itself will start capturing, you know, whatever is on the screen here, and the actual live streaming is not yet started, because you still need to click on this red button here and choose how you'd like to start your live streaming. So what I usually do on my end is this one here that says create event. So the moment you click on it, it'll start the live streaming right away. So you will see this stop button here to indicate that it's now started. So here I will go ahead and play a video. So what I did actually is I downloaded for offline use of video, so I can, you know, loop it in the background. So pretty much it'll just gonna play forever until the battery dies, or until you manually stop it. So what I do, or what I did, is to set it up with my video player here under settings to you know, replay video. So once it's to the end part of it, it'll just gonna start right away from the beginning, and then, you know, so on and so forth. Okay, alright, so now that I have my video here and it's now playing, alright, so for me to check, or for you to check as well on your end, that it is actually capturing or broadcasting your live streaming on your phone, just check on the notification panel and look for Streamlabs that would say it's on and it's streaming in progress. Okay, so once you see that, then you're good to go. So you can just leave your phone, you know, whatever you want to put it, like on the top of your table, anywhere that it's safe, of course. And we are going to check the actual live stream video on our channel. Okay, so in that case, we just actually need to go to our channel itself. Let me just navigate there, and then I'll show you. So here, alright, right under the videos tab, you know, so basically you need to click on here and go to your channel. You can also go to YouTube Studio if you want to, but this one here is what I usually do, because it's gonna show me the video anyway. And it's actually one thing to you know, make sure that you see the video is live streaming. Hold on, for some reasons it's not yet, it's gone here. So let me go to the YouTube Studio and go to my live videos tab right there. So you will see your live streaming video here, as it showed you this badge saying it's live, because that is actually the actual the actual thing going on your screen being shown there. So click on this details option here. So the reason for that is, from here you can still, you know, edit whatever the title you want here. So in this case I'll just do test, alright, just to show you guys. And pretty much you can do whatever you want from this side here. So let me just do that as well. And this is the one that's very important. So you need to click this one, and you know that would make it public, so it will be visible to your audience. And I'll just do the whatever is just needed for now, okay? But pretty much on your end, if you need to put some more information there, that's up to you. But this one here is just for the purpose of letting you guys see how it looks like, and what I usually do rather, to start the live streaming and have it visible to someone who goes to my channel, or someone I shared the link to, and pretty much, you know, the basic things you do in order for the people to see your live stream. So here, alright, you see this video showing up now as live with a test in its title. And if you click on it, there you would see they'll have this, you know, whatever is being broadcast by your phone, like that. And pretty much that's it, you're done. Alright, so let's say you have already ran this live streaming for a number of hours or minutes that you want this to run for, and you decide to you know, end the streaming process. So you can actually do that via your phone, or here on your computer, or if you have like another mobile device where you're accessing your video to edit the details, you can also like do that there. So to show you first how to do that on the phone, so here pretty much you just need to, let me just, sorry guys, I'm having a hard time holding up my camera, and I'm just using a phone, by the way, to capture all these. So from here you're gonna need to go back to the Streamlabs application. Okay, tap anywhere so the options here will be shown. So pretty much you just need to click on the stop button, okay, so you can end the streaming. So that's what you do if you want to stop it or end the session via phone. While here with your PC or on your phone, you still need to go to your YouTube studio, and then go under videos here, and under live, and now you can choose this video here, so it'll show you that option. And then let me see, one second here, let me just put down the camera first so I can check and show you exactly how to do this here. I'm just checking on something here really quick. I'm sorry for the delay there. Something has happened really quick. Okay. Okay, got it. Alright, sorry guys, my bad. Sorry for the confusion. Let me just correct myself here and, you know, show you exactly what the correct process is if you want to stop it or end the live session on your PC or on your phone. So actually you just need to go to your channel. So here, so you will be routed to this the same page here, and then pretty much just click on the video for the one that you want to end the live streaming session for, and then click on analytics right under it, and you'll be given a different page here. I'm not sure why. I thought, you know, analytics option would go to the same page even if you access that on YouTube Studio, but it's not, so sorry for the misinformation there. But here, this is the right the right place to go to. So you'll have this option here at the top right to end the stream. So you just click on it. You'll be prompted to you know, click if you really want to stop it or end the session. So let's just say yes. Let me just focus there. Okay, I'm just clicking on end, and basically it's gonna show you exactly some of the information about, you know, the things that you've gained from your live streaming thing, like total watch time, number of subscribers, and all that. So pretty much, you know it. So there you go, guys. It has already been ended. So you will see here confirmation on the upper left hand as well that the stream has finished, and that's it. So pretty much that's just what you need to do, from installing the application to your phone, setting it up to broadcast the screen, and then doing the actual live streaming thing on your phone, guys. If you end this if you end the session from your PC or from the other phone, you know, accessing your channel, you will still see your phone you know, broadcasting the screen like this, but it's not really live anymore. So all you need to do is just to go to your notification panel and stop all the process there, and pretty much it will stop the application. Then just close it and you're back to square one. Alright, so the next time you need to do the live streaming thing, you just need to go to your app list and choose Streamlabs so you can start live streaming on YouTube. Alright, so hopefully this video, guys, has helped you. If you have any questions, just comment down below, so I'll do my best to answer any questions that you might have. And of course, I hope this video has helped you a lot. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do help my channel by subscribing and hitting the like button if you like the video. And also, you know, if you don't want to miss any notifications, if there's any new videos I have here up for my channel, just hit on this notification bell and set to all. Alright, so thank you so much again, and see ya in my next videos. Peace.